Welcome to the marketing management module of the UWIN Connect program. Clearly, marketing is an important aspect of your business, and in order for you to succeed in your business, you need to take this module very seriously. Some of the things to expect from this module include the concept of marketing. It's important that you understand the concept of marketing and how this in itself relates to every other aspect of your business. So we will be looking at the concept of marketing. We'll be looking at the difference between marketing and sales, because oftentimes people confuse marketing and sales, and this in itself helps, or rather leads to you making mistakes when it comes to managing your team. Another aspect we'll be looking at is the marketing mix. And the marketing mix is made up of the place, the promotion, the people, and all of those elements that you control that helps you to understand how to position yourself in the marketplace. We'll also be looking at the marketing environment, which is very important. We'll also be looking at how to manage competition and how to evolve all of this into a marketing strategy. Some of the things that are also important that you note as you go through the course of this module, at the end of every session, you have a session activity, which is important for you. These are things that helps to bring together all of the learning from that session that you can immediately implement in your business. At the end of the module, there'll be an end of module assessment, which is important for you to earn the much needed points to move to the next stage. I wish you all the best as you start the module.